All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for the Christian Yelich Cali-inspired bat. So we'll check the time July 10th at 4:56 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We've got July 10th at 4:56 p.m. There is the list of our 25 mini spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade, Stacy, Alex. You are our mini winners. So Wade, you'll get first pick. Stacy, you get second pick. And then Alex, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 10th, 4:56 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.